Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Famous Nelson, and today I want to show you guys my little setup and everything I use for making music on the go. So this is my bedroom setup, and as you can see, I'm inside my tent. So my setup is not that cost, and I record songs and make beats using this setup. So the first thing you see here is my MIDI controller, and with this MIDI controller, making beat has been very easier for me. It's very easy making beats using a MIDI controller. And this MIDI controller have just 25 keys, and you can see the name. It's called the M-Wave MIDI controller, and it have some other knobs, some other useful knobs here. And apart from that, one thing I like so much about it is that I have those Bluetooth feature here. So you can actually connect your phone to this MIDI controller using just a Bluetooth. So the next thing here I have here is the sound card. And for the sound card, I use the V8 sound card, but I don't advise anybody to buy this sound card. It's not actually worth buying. It's a complete waste of money. So please, if you want to buy sound card, don't buy this sound card. Please don't say I didn't warn you. Don't buy this sound card. In one of my next video, I'll make a comparison between this sound card and the Focusrite Scarlett Solo sound card so that most of you will understand the reasons why I said no one should invest in this sound card. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel to get notified when I upload that video. The next thing here is my microphone. And for the microphone, I use the BM800 condenser microphone. I've been using this microphone for the past 2 years. I think it's kind of durable. If you have a good sound card, it's manageable. It's not that good, but it's manageable. If you just get a good sound card, if you have a good sound card and if you know how to mix your vocals, then it's good for you. Then apart from that, the next thing I have here is my headset. And for the headset, you can see the name carefully. I love this headset because of the bass. It have bass. And please, when buying your headset, make sure you buy one that have cable so you can connect it direct to your sound card, not the one that have Bluetooth. Even though it has Bluetooth, but try to make sure it has a cable so you can connect it direct into your sound card. So now from the headset, the next thing I have here is my speaker. So for the speaker, I use this one called AI. I love the speaker because of the bass. So you can see it have a 4-inch woofer and 1.5-inch tweeter. So the bass is not that much, but it's okay. I love the bass. And it's a consumer speaker. It's not like the normal studio monitors. So mixing your song to get an accurate result is somehow complicated. But if you learn how to use them and you master them very well, you'll be able to mix good song with them. Last thing on my setup is my phone. And for the phone, you can use whatever phone you are having. Just make sure your phone have enough RAM and enough space, then you are good to go. So you can actually record good songs and make good instrumentals using this setup. Music production is not about having the best equipment. No. Music production is all about creativity. So when you are creative and you have just little things, you can become great by doing little things in great ways. I always love using FL Studio Mobile when making my beat, and I sometimes I record my vocals on FL Studio Mobile also, but when it comes to mixing and mastering my vocals, I prefer using bandlab. So what I do is I export them to bandlab and mix them there on bandlab. In case you want special classes on how to make music on smartphone, just DM me and I'll add you to my class where I teach people how to make music on their mobile phone. Bye. See you guys in my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.